In this video I'm going to show you how to manage Teams on Microsoft Teams. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. Alright, so let's start. First, go to the Teams. After that, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and here you can see manage Teams, and here you can select which teams to be shown in the Teams list. So if I choose that only this one, alright, and when I'm going back to the Teams, you see that it will appear only this course. And if I select to be shown all, here you can see that it added all my courses. So thank you for your attention. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.